Bakit ba gusto gawin ang malay? Pati na rin sayang tinataglay. Kung pwede iligtas lang ang isang mas musay. Everyone, what do you say? Kinakagat ang ilang pagmamahal. Sakit na tulad yalirat na no. I'm not here cause this world was a fuck me.
Mag-auto-phone sila ng kanila nilang kanta. Malfunction yata yung damit ko doon.
Try to fight it every night. Gulong sa isip, inawala. Couldn't get someone to help me where I'm at. So I had to stay away. Bakit ba gusto gawin ang malay? Pati na rin sayang tinataglay.
Kung papantay ni Pablo, nagkamalfunction yung damit ni doon. Oh no!
And I can't change that.
Ito yung maglikot kasi mahulog.
Wow! Grabe. Nauubaran natin.
Baka mahulog.
I wanna know. Cause what the fuck, man? And I can't change that.